Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 8 from 2021, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your toggles right here from the right side. So make sure you pull it down from right side and look for your hotspot toggle, which should be somewhere here. So there we go, it's right at the bottom for me. So once you see your hotspot, obviously if you're doing this for the first time, I'm assuming you're watching this video, you most likely are, you want to hold the toggle. And this will quickly take you to the settings. Now in here, I'm going to tap on the setup portable hotspot and start off by changing the password. I can tap on the little eye icon to view the password, but as you can see, it is nothing easy to remember. It's just some randomized numbers and letters. So better option is just to remove this one and set your own. Now the new password needs to have at least 8 characters in length, and from there you can also go over a couple additional settings like the SSID, which is just the name of the Wi-Fi that it's going to create. Then we have security, which I would recommend you to keep it as it is, otherwise if you turn it off anybody can connect to your hotspot. We have AP band, which we have choice between 2.4 and 5 GHz. Briefly going into this, 5 GHz is going to be faster and more stable, but not every device supports it. 2.4 will be, well, downgraded, but basically any device with Wi-Fi connectivity can utilize it. And then we have hide the SSID, which simply hides your hotspot altogether from Wi-Fi list, which if you want to connect to it, you will need to go to the option that you always see at the bottom, which is add network manually, and you need to provide the name, the password, and if everything was written correctly, it will connect. If you just missed a single letter or wrote it incorrectly, it won't connect. So I would probably recommend keeping this off. Anyway, once you have set it up the way you want, click right here on the checkbox to save the settings. You can now close this and find your toggle once again and simply tap on it to toggle it on. Now, because of the battery, you can't really see that it is enabled, so I'm gonna quickly change the battery or the wallpaper. Okay, and as you can see, it is enabled, which I just tapped on it again. So here we go. So that is how you would enable it, and to turn it off, you can simply tap on it again, and as you can see, it goes gray, turning it off. So that is how you would set up your portable hotspot right here, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.